Welcome to WiselyWise Virtual Courses. Python for Artificial Intelligence course. AI is leading the fourth industrial revolution. We are already being impacted by AI in our daily lives. Acquiring AI skills is very critical for students as they pursue higher studies and getting ready for the AI future. And most artificial intelligence applications like machine learning, NLP, have been developed using Python. Based on this, WiselyWise is introducing a Python for AI course for ages between 9 and 12 years. In this course, you will learn Introduction to Python, conditional statements, data structures, packages, fundamentals of AI, machine learning, image classification project using Python, and do hands-on projects virtually with the instructor. All students will get access to the Python for AI course on WiseCentral, our AI education platform. From this course, students introduce concepts in artificial intelligence, introduction to Python machine learning projects, and much more. They will also get exposure to Python programming and use it to create projects. After completing the course, students create their own digital portfolio deck, complete projects, get course completion certificate, and by the end of this course, students will be capable of creating advanced Python programs. Enroll now to get started in this AI world.